Hello everyone and welcome back to Info Growth, the channel dedicated to providing you with valuable information to help you grow and make a positive impact. Today, we have a truly inspiring topic to discuss: transform lives, donate your car to charity in California. Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Info Growth, the place where we explore ideas for personal development and learn about ways to make a meaningful difference in the world. In today's video, we have an incredible topic that will not only benefit you but also touch the lives of those in need. We'll be diving into the world of car donations and discovering how you can donate your car to charity in California. Get ready to be amazed by the impact you can make by simply parting ways with your vehicle. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered what happens to your old car when you're ready to say goodbye? Instead of trading it in or selling it, have you considered the option of donating it to a charitable organization? This decision has the power to transform lives and create a lasting impact. In this segment, we'll delve into the reasons why donating your car can be a game changer. From helping those in need to enjoying potential tax benefits, we'll explore the benefits that come with this selfless act. Now that you're convinced about the impact of car donations, you might be wondering about the process. Fear not. In this segment, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of donating your car to charity in California. From selecting the right organization to preparing your car for donation, we'll cover it all. We'll also address any concerns or questions you might have along the way, ensuring that the process is smooth and hassle-free. Choosing the right charity for your car donation is crucial to ensure that your vehicle's value is maximized and used for a good cause. In this segment, we'll guide you through the process of finding reputable and trustworthy charitable organizations in California. We'll share some well-established charities that accept car donations and discuss the factors you should consider when making your decision. Together, let's ensure that your contribution reaches the people who need it the most. Have you ever wondered how your car donation can create a tangible impact on individuals and communities? In this segment, we'll introduce you to real-life stories of individuals whose lives have been transformed through car donations. From providing reliable transportation to low-income families to supporting vocational training programs, your contribution can have far-reaching effects. We'll showcase some heartwarming success stories that will leave you inspired and motivated to make a difference. Beyond the joy of helping others, there are additional incentives to donating your car to charity. In this segment, we'll explore the potential tax benefits and deductions you can receive as a result of your car donation. We'll also discuss other considerations, such as paperwork requirements, transfer of ownership, and how to ensure a smooth transaction. By understanding the financial advantages and logistical aspects, you'll be well prepared to make your car donation a seamless process. As we come to the end of this video, I hope you feel inspired and enlightened about the incredible impact you can create by donating your car to charity in California. By letting go of something that has served you well, you open doors of opportunity for those who are less fortunate. Your generosity can change lives, provide hope, and create a ripple effect of positivity. So, let's make a difference together. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for joining us today on Info Growth. Until next time, keep growing and keep making the world a better place. Thank you for watching this video on Info Growth. If you found it valuable, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We appreciate your support in our mission to promote personal growth and make a positive impact. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and keep growing. This is Info Growth, signing off.